Hey, Johncrestani here, and I have a question, okay? Now, can you read what's in this little box here? Because if you can actually make a lot of money. Now, did you know those like forms you fill out on sites and it's like, can you read what's in that box, right? Well, if you can do that, if you can fill those out, those are called Captchas. And if you can figure out what's in the box, you can make real money. Not from me, but just in general. You can actually make money online typing Captchas. And I'm gonna show you a few sites right here on my computer that you can actually do that as a job, figuring out what it says and making money. Let's get it. Now, this seems ridiculous, honestly, making money by typing in Captchas, but there are so many ways to earn money on the internet. And what you have to understand is technology is changing, and typing in Captchas never used to be a job, but there's software programs and all sorts of different companies that have a lot of automated processes, and they don't want to actually hire employees to type in the Captchas to get their software past these roadblocks or obstacles. So they hire people, or they crowdsource people on the internet and pay them real money to do that. If you can figure out what that Captcha says, type it in the comments below and I will select one random person to actually give real money to. Now let's go back here. So the sites that you can actually make money doing this, there are a few of them. And as you see right here, this one is called Captcha Club, okay? So you can see right here, captchaclub.com. These things are so weird. And you can make money, literally, opportunity to earn money online, type in Captchas. And the reason is once again, it's because computers are not good enough to read these Captchas, but they still need to do their automated processes. So they need people to just fill out those Captchas over and over and over again. So as you can see, it's a real site. There's real people doing it, like this guy who is a very unhireable looking person, no offense, and his name is Nicole. I won't pass judgments on people. It's my channel, so I get to do what I want, right? So if you wanted to sign up for this, you would just click just join it, and you would click right there and you would sign up to do the Captcha typing job, okay? New way to make money, type Captchas, get paid, and you can do it no matter what countries you're in, okay? So you would just register right here and blah, blah, blah. I'm not gonna go through the whole registration process here because I make more money than typing Captchas. And if you're looking for more ways to make money online, I have this book. I'm a published author now. This book, Work at Home Secrets, about how you can make money, different jobs you can do working from home. I'll explain a little bit more about this in just a second here. Another site you can learn how to do Captchas from is, I found this site, Money Connection. And you can see here, see these are Captchas for those of you wondering, these little weird things. Right? I can barely figure these out sometimes. So there's Mega Typers, Pro Typers, Total Lipo, Fast Typers, QCaptcha, QLink Group Captcha Typers, and Pick 2 Profits. There are a lot of sites out there which you can earn money doing different forms of data entry. Now, newsflash is you won't earn a ton of money doing this. Supposedly you can earn up to $60 an hour typing in Captchas. I'm not sure if that's true or not. I heard somebody say it, but regardless, what I've generally found from most data entry jobs on the internet is you can earn anywhere from $2 to $3 an hour working a data entry job, something that requires no skills such as image recognition, typing, etc. $2 to $3 an hour is what I've seen as the norm. So you're not going to become rich doing these sorts of jobs, and it's not necessarily glamorous, and probably your job is going to be the first in line to be lost to automation and computer programs. So being able to figure out what this says may be useful to earn a couple bucks an hour if you're dead broke living in Bangladesh or Pakistan, or I don't know in the world you are. Cote d'Ivoire is pretty cool. Great soccer players out there. But you know, some of these other countries, right, that people don't make a lot of money, 2 to 3 hours an hour might be like, you feed your family for a week. But the point is, if you want to make real money, if you really want to retire, if you want to have nice things, if you want to be able to like buy nice things, you're going to want to learn different sorts of skills and make yourself valuable in the marketplace. Now, I go over all of this. And more in my book, Work at Home Secrets. You can get it for $1. So literally 20 minutes of work doing Captchas can help you afford this book, Work at Home Scams and Secrets and Scams to Avoid. So in this book, I go over both the scams that you'll want to avoid, such as cryptocurrency scams, fake links and comment scams, all these different sort of scams that are going on, as well as different ways that you can make money working from home, how you can work from home for Amazon, for Target, for Walmart, and what I do, which is called affiliate marketing. And I make millions of dollars a year doing this. So all of this stuff, $1, you get a free subscription, free 30-day trial, cancel anytime, to my Internet Jet Set Expert series. So every week I'll be sending you email with one expert that has made over $1 million starting their own home-based business. And their own home, they're making over $1 million like I am. And each week you get to learn a different business model, how to make money doing e-commerce on Amazon, how you make money doing drop shipping, how you make money running an ad agency, how you make money doing affiliate marketing. Every week you get to learn from a new expert and find a new business model that you might resonate with, that you might excel at, and use it to create your own massive income. So check out the book, check out the Internet Jet Set Expert series that I'll be sending you emails every week with a free webinar or training session. So make sure to check that out. Now, if this helped you at all, if you're gonna check out the Captcha typing and you're gonna try to make that $2 to $3 an hour, baby, right? That mad money, let me know if you're gonna check it out. Say, I'm gonna be a Captcha typer. Say, I'm gonna be a typer in the comments below. But if you're ready to actually find out the real ways to make money, check out some of my playlists in the comments or in the description, and I'll show you some real ways to make money online. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you can be informed of videos I'm doing in the future. Look forward to talking to you soon. Make money online, take control of your life, quit your job, drop out of school, don't let your family pressure you into doing stuff you don't want to do, and live free.